Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music on Messenger Notes. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, click on the Create New Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding music to Messenger Notes can enhance the user experience in various ways because number one, music can convey emotions and sentiments more effectively than text alone. Adding a song on your Messenger Notes can express feelings that might be hard to put in other words. Because music can enhance the storytelling aspect of your notes, making them more engaging and memorable for the recipients. Background music can set the tone and create an atmosphere that complements the message or content of your note. Now, let's do this in the mobile app because it's a lot easier to do it. I'm going to open my mobile device and open the Facebook Messenger app. Now, once you are on your Facebook Messenger, you see the share a thought on it. That's going to be your note. And open it, and from here maybe I'll put something here. Now once you put something on your notes here, as you can see, there's no option at the bottom or any part of the interface that says you can add music. In Instagram, I believe you can do that, but here on Facebook Messenger Notes, I hate to break it to you guys, but you can't add music on notes, alright? However, you can add music on your story. That's going to be a lot easier. If you don't mind adding music on your story, that's one of the workarounds since you can add music on your notes, alright? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.